Good morning, freedom fighters. It is 11:17 a.m. Eastern Time, March 16th, 2024. I have a lot to do today. I wasn't really planning on making a morning video, but they give me no choice. Unusual frequency waves in the Gulf of Mexico, just offshore of my family and friends in South Louisiana. This strip of land here, I have commercial fish around the entire bit of the Mississippi River Delta, all the way out here to Chandelier Islands, actually. Never in my life have we ever seen the skies they are witnessing at this moment. The fictitious terms are street clouds, gravity waves, roll clouds, and any other fictitious name they can come up with. But the ones that scares me the most are these. This reminds me of the laser. When the laser fires off, the only thing you can see from these lasers, you cannot see the light unless you have special filtering goggles or something maybe. But you can see the steam. It steams the atmosphere because it's hot. They say it's trillion-watt lasers. That's a phenomenal number since a trillion seconds in time is almost 32,000 years. But maybe he's telling the truth, and it's a trillion-watt lasers. They seem concentrated. I want to go back to the Chile fires. I'm going to make a new video on that when I get time, but I am rebuilding my mom's house at the moment, trying to get ready to leave for Alaska, trying to put my own fishing gear up for the summer so the sun don't destroy it. This is very unusual, whatever this is. I'm going to back it up a couple hours, let's watch it develop. This is at 8:30 this morning, 8:21. I really don't know what it is. It could be lasers and the satellite slowly moving. It's not firing off the storms, but it makes a weird curve here. All right, we could say it's some kind of storm front, some kind of storm lines. It's roll clouds, but it's not. It's something else. It's a machine. It's reacting to the material they put out. See, they put out a lot of different kinds of metals that are magnetic. In Alaska, I've seen the weirdest thing. It was three or four chemtrails, and they all came together like magnetism happened. We have a big weather machine out there on an island in Alaska with a bunch of antennas and bunch of antennas and a NexRad radar system, a couple of them, I think. It is our local radar, it is, but what else does it do? Oh, I just want to show you all those crazy frequency waves. I don't understand what it is. I'm just going to put the last 2 hours into motion. It'll take a second to load that. Look at it over here. And it's not really moving. The clouds are moving. The clouds are moving, but watch the frequencies on my finger, the mouse. It's a rolling wave of something, some kind of energy. We all know it's real. I'm just showing it to you. Thank you for all the new warriors that's come aboard. I am here. I'm not part of any kind of social media platforms. I have never been. But I had to tell the people what I've been studying and what I see. I'm not here to build anything. None of this social stuff matters. They can turn it off in a heartbeat. They can shut me down so easily. I'm just trying to get the word out while they allow me to speak to y'all. Put it on the infrared a minute. Let's see what's going on here. Maybe this is where all that's material. All right, that actually makes sense now. All this laser activity that we're seeing over here might be lighting this off. That's what it might be lighting off. What do y'all think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. We're studying here. They're not telling us any truths. Nothing's truthful. I can go back to the Civil War. It was never about slavery. The slaves were already being freed at that time. That's why you see Confederate black soldiers, and they had guns. I know their stories. They were fighting to get away from these same evil people we're still having to deal with today. If y'all really knew what the war was about, the South was trying to secede from the North. That is all it was about. Almost 300,000 men died, blacks, whites, and everybody. I know they don't want to know it, but there was many, many black slave owners too. We're still slaves today, guys. We think we're free while we sit in these cells we pay high dollar for. A lot of us don't even leave our cells daily. Go outside, get some sun. It's very important. They're blocking your life-giving sun you need for vitamins and a dozen other things it does for your body. It improves your mood. Go see the sun while you can before they block it all out. Commercial fishermen standing by. Thank you for the donations. It's it's not been a lot, but the people that's donated are true angels sent from the Lord. Thank you. Commercial fishermen out.